space these days. Space might be the place that you want to be now, Aaron. I mean, because down here it is we are just getting soaked.
Yeah, you haven't been able to escape the rain here in North Texas for the last several weeks. Certainly the last couple of days, we've seen our fair share of wet weather. And just looking at estimated rainfall over the last 24 hours, obviously, it gets a little bit more colorful in northern Dallas County and then up into Collin County, areas a little farther to the north and to the east. So as we sample some of these readings, we're talking about 4 to nearly 10 inches of rain falling in the last 24 to 36 hours just for this part alone. And remember, for the year as a whole, we've seen almost 19 inches of rain, and nearly 8 inches of that rainfall came in May alone. Now, we're nowhere near where we were in May of 2015 with that record rainfall nearing that 17-inch mark, but still very wet weather for us in May. The ground is saturated. We have no drought ongoing across North Texas, and then we just continue to have these rounds of showers and storms, especially in the overnight hours. So it would make sense that a lot of the streams, creeks, lakes, rivers are under flood warnings right now. We don't have any flash flood warnings in place, no flood advisories here in North Texas, but I will say there is still a flash flood watch for the next couple of hours. I think the National Weather Service will allow this to expire at 7 o'clock this evening, but a lot of spots, especially if you're near a watershed dealing with some significant flooding issues. The good news is this system is moving off to the east. Not only are we starting to see the rain kind of wind down here in North Texas this afternoon, but we're actually starting to see a little bit of sunshine as well. Our Dallas cam, you've got those sunny skies off in the distance. Temperatures up to 73 degrees right now, west-southwest wind at 6 miles an hour. We've even got some 80s where the sun is really kind of kicking in for Breckenridge, Mineral Wells, Stephenville, Granbury, even Cleburne sitting at 81 right now. But I think generally where the clouds and the rain still are, will stay in the 70s over the next few hours. Now let's talk about tonight, because we've been talking about maybe another round of showers and storms, but good news is the models are kind of backing off on this a little bit. We are going to watch a complex of storms out in West Texas. I do still have cloudy skies kind of continuing into this evening, and the rain chances at about 20 to 30%. But you notice that cluster of storms that moves in from West Texas, not only does it kind of dive a little farther to the south, but it weakens as it moves closer to us. So I'm going to have the rain chances overnight at 30 to 40% in coverage, and then I think as we go throughout the day on Tuesday, it's generally just cloudy, an isolated shower. Closer to Paris, there may be a few showers and storms, but we're starting to see a drying trend Tuesday afternoon, and then we really get to experience that drying trend as we get into midweek. So we're talking about maybe trace amounts to maybe some spots a little farther south and west picking up another inch of rain when all is said and done, and then we are done with the rain for a while, and that's when temperatures start to heat up. Low 90s Wednesday, mid 90s Thursday and Friday. And that's just what the thermometer is going to read. We still have a lot of moisture in place, so feels like temperatures. Yes, the dreaded terminology that we always hear when we get to summertime. Upper 90s and low 100s Wednesday afternoon, into Thursday afternoon, into Friday afternoon, and it's probably going to continue into the weekend as well. So we're going to be watching for isolated showers and storms next Sunday and Monday. High temperatures still remaining in the low 90s, though. It finally, fingers crossed, looks like we're finally going to dry out and start to feel a little more like we should for this time of year, Ken.
In other words, bring on the heat. Aaron, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Get the royalty treatment on your next